In C#, arrays store multiple values of the same type in numbered slots. Think of them as numbered parking spaces for your data, where each space holds one item and you know exactly where everything is. Creating arrays is straightforward. You can declare an empty array with a fixed size like this, which creates 5 empty slots, or initialize with values like this, which creates and fills the array in one line. To access elements, you can use square brackets. Arrays start at the index 0, not 1. So the first element is always at the position 0, the second at position 1, and so on. Use the length property to get the total count. In our example, that is going to return 3. The big limitation is that arrays have a fixed size once created. For performance critical code, when you know exactly how many items you'll have, arrays are the best choice.